it's Linda back again with another video. For today's Fabulous Friday episode, I'm bringing you a review of various Profusion makeup products as well as a tutorial. The palettes I'm going to be using today are the Love Struck palette, the Complexion Perfector, the Pro Contour Kit, and the Profusion Brow Palette. So if you'd like to see how I achieved this look using all of those Profusion palettes, keep on watching. Included in the brow kit, we have a brow wax, a highlight, and varying colors of brow powders, going from light blonde to dark brunette. Here we have a duo eyebrow pencil, a light and a dark. We have here a double-sided eye brush and a spoolie brush. Using our thin angle brush, we're going to dip into our eyebrow wax. Using the same angled brush, I'm going to dip into the darkest brow powder. Because the eyebrow wax is already on the eyebrow, it allows the powder to set almost like a pomade. And then we brush it through to make it a little more natural. Next, I'm going to clean up my brows using our Profusion concealer palette. This is the Complexion Perfector. Using a clean angled brush, I'm going to dip into this color to clean up the bottom of my brow. I am very impressed with the consistency of this concealer. It's thick but not cakey, and it doesn't feel oily to the point where it's going to disrupt my eyebrow quality. And a clean, damp beauty blender to blend. I really like how blendable this concealer is. Next, we're going to dip into this color to clean up the top of our brows. We're going to set the concealer that we carved our brows with the Pro Contour Kit using this color. Now it's time for eyeshadow. This is the gorgeous palette we're going to work with today, the Love Struck palette. Profusion has some of the best quality and best pigmented eyeshadows that I've ever seen in a drugstore. I love how buttery and blendable these eyeshadows are. I'm going to swatch this gorgeous hot pink glitter for you. This is the color Queen. This glitter payoff is phenomenal. Most pressed glitters that I've ever used, I've had to use glue as a base to make sure that it's set correctly, and this just glides on without any base. It is a gel-like consistency. It's not grainy or harsh on the eyelids. Now for some shimmers. This shimmer right here is gorgeous. So I'm gonna just dip and just one dip is phenomenal. They are beyond creamy in texture. So much shine and iridescence to that color. Now let's do a matte color. Let's try this hot pink color. Super, super soft. Look at that. Matte and soft and super blendable. These are great quality eyeshadows. For our transition color, we're going to be using this color here, and it is called Rain. And using our clean fluffy brush, we are going to dry brush to blend. Building up our transition color, we're going to use this color here, and it is called Vamp. I'm using my MAC 234. I find that this is the best brush for building up a transition color in your crease. And again, dry brush to blend. And last, we're going to use Renaissance right here to really build up the color we want. And dry brush once more. Using a flat brush, we're going to dip slightly into the color Slay. And we're not going to swipe, we're going to pat into our lid. Next, we're going to dip into Wonderland. pressing it into our inner corner and blending it with Slay. Next, I'm just gonna add my lashes. These are my Gia Rose lashes in the style Pop Out. All the info will be in the description box below. Be sure to use my discount code Linda Lashes for some money off your purchase. Moving on to skin, we're going to use our complexion perfector again, and I'm going to use the green color corrector to correct my redness. I'm just gonna pop that onto my blemish, my cheek area, and around my nose. Next, I'm going to go over everything using the center color here. Next, I'm going to use this color here to conceal and highlight the areas I want. Next, I'm going to use this color here to contour. Next, I'm going to set everything using the Pro Contour Kit. Dipping into this color here and contouring with this color here. I do not have a Profusion blush, so I'm going to use this color here as my blush. And for highlighter, I'm going to use this gorgeous color here, and it is called Ravishing. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed my Profusion makeup tutorial. My final thoughts on all of these products are that, of course, Profusion is affordable, but the quality is amazing. So I definitely think it's a brand worth investing in and trying for yourself. So that's it for my Fabulous Friday tutorial. As always, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell icon if you want to get notifications every time I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching today's tutorial, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!